Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a MixItUp tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a command that sends your clips to Discord. And the reason why you would do this is because number one, someone may not be in your Discord, and number two, there's a whole process to putting clips in your Discord without a command. There is looking for the Discord server. Well, there's also opening the Discord app, and then there's looking for the channel where your clips are supposed to go. And so instead of doing all that, you have a command that just puts the clip in there for them and for you. And you might not like that because maybe you want people to be in your Discord, but maybe um, there are people who are very stubborn about joining new Discords, and so this is good for them because it makes it more likely that they will post clips in your Discord server if they are too stubborn to actually join and post things in your Discord server. Or even if they are in your server and they're still too lazy to post your clips in your clips channel in Discord. So yeah, I'll be showing you to do that. If you find my Mix It Up videos useful, please give them a like and subscribe if you want more videos like these. And let's get started. So we will go to the menu in the top left. Before we do this, I should mention that you want to make sure that in services you have Discord connected. So click on the top left for the menu, go to services, look for Discord, it's towards the top, and make sure this is connected because we will need this to send clips to Discord. Okay, let's go back to commands. And the name of my command is simply send. Let's hit the pencil button to take a look at it. Now, in this command, I have two conditionals. And the cooldown on this is only 10 seconds because it's possible you have multiple users making clips like back to back, and so I don't really want to prevent that necessarily. Um, but in these conditionals, there is something that I'm preventing, and it is preventing anything other than Twitch clips from being sent through this command. So I have two conditionals. In the first one, we have a $ message, and we're using the and clause, which means whatever message they're sending, it's checking that the message contains twitch.tv and the message also contains clip somewhere in it. And if it does, we're going to add a Discord action. And if you're connected, you can look for your channels in here. Mine is called Clips and Highlights. And then for the message, I'm putting in $user display name, clip this. Or if you want to be more precise, $user display name, sent this. And then $all args. And all args will take everything after the command. Okay. And then we'll have a chat message, and it'll just say clip sent to Discord, and you can provide your Discord link there. So if somebody isn't a part of your Discord, they can click on that to join, so they can go see your clips, so as well as whatever else you have in your Discord. Okay. Now, what if they do not provide a valid link? Um, I made a conditional for if it does not contain twitch.tv or if it does not contain clip. Because if it does not contain twitch.tv, it means another website. If it does not contain clip, it means it's not a clip. Okay, so that means whatever they're sending using the send command is not valid. And so in that case, we're just going to provide a chat message. So click on the drop down under this conditional and click on chat message. And here we're just going to say not a Twitch clip, not a Twitch clip. And that's it. And let's test it. I have a clip I can send. First, let me show you my Discord to make sure this is not already in my Discord. It's kind of like I'm doing a magic trick. I want you to see what it's like before the magic trick, and then what it's like after the magic trick. Okay. So here, we'll go to clips and highlights. Okay, this is what is here right now. Let me hide myself so you can see what I'm showing you. This is what is here right now, sent by Jimbo, okay, called Gold Story. And the clip I'm going to send right now is this one called Cheer 4000. Okay, let me bring myself back. Okay, let me show you my chat window. Okay, so $send. Okay, here's the clip. Now, this message contains twitch.tv and it contains clip. So this should work. So hit enter. Okay, so it says clip sent to Discord. Let's go check the Discord server, make sure it was sent. Okay, and there you go. Miniature Gold clip this. Here's the link. Here is the title for the link. And yeah, so successfully sent. Okay, now what if I send a link that is not valid? What if I just send twitch.tv/ministergold? Does that work? Not a Twitch clip. And that's correct, it is not. What if I go send www.google.com? Does that work? Okay, not a clip. What if I go send www.google.com/clip? Oh, let's try again. And that doesn't work either. Okay, so this only works for Twitch clips. It will not work for any other type of URL. And that is how you send Twitch clips to your Discord without a user having to actually either be in your Discord or go to your Discord server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please, again, give me a like, subscribe for more videos like these, and you can follow me at twitch.tv/miniaturegold if you'd like to talk about gaming, life, or, you know, anything else. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good one. All right. Adios.